Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Okay, so I'm doing a test on two different types of watercolor paper. They're both cold pressed. One is Arches, that's the one that you're seeing right now. It's Arches 300 pound, which is pretty heavy, cold pressed aquarelle watercolor paper, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. It's a sheet. It's not sold in like in a booklet or a pad or anything. It's a sheet, and I just cut it up. So I wanted to see what the difference is as far as colors, the durability, how much water it will take. And then also at the end I do color pencil touch up like for details and just to add a little more depth. I wanted to see what how both papers handle that, especially the heavier, the 300 pound versus the Strathmore watercolor cold pressed, which I'm going to do another one at the end. You'll see that's 140 pounds, so that's a lot lighter. So I just wanted to see what the difference was, and I thought, hey, I might as well do a video for it, and it happens to be my first YouTube video. So thank you for watching and staying tuned in this far. I really appreciate it. In case you're wondering what is going on right there, I work on a slanted table. It's a drafting table, and it's slanted a little bit. It works better for my neck. I have a bad neck, so I don't have the watercolor paper, as you see, totally taped down on the sides, because I like to lift it a little bit so the watercolor, I can move the water around. So this is the Strathmore watercolor paper. This is 140 pound. I didn't put that in the description there. But this is 140 pound, and this is a funky view. I'm sorry about that, because my camera, my overhead camera, didn't record. So I don't know what happened. Maybe the battery ran out. I don't know. But this is actually from my phone. This is like a side view from my phone. So I'm glad that recorded for you. Okay, here we go. The end result. The one on the left is Arches. The one on the right is Strathmore. I use the exact same colors on both of them, and the exact same amount of colored pencil on top for the details. I wanted to really, do exactly the same thing so I can really get a good comparison. And it's kind of obvious. You can see the Arches, really, the colors pop. They are so vibrant. And the one on the one on the right, the Strathmore, they really blended, really nicely together, and it really just kind of, there's no right or wrong here, a good one or a bad one. I think it just depends on the look you're going for and the effect you're going for. I was surprised at how well the Arches took the colored, or took the colored pencil really well. I was kind of surprised, because I thought it wouldn't, the paper was so thick, it wouldn't really get good detail, but it did. And then the Strathmore on the right, it actually, it's like it already had enough layers with the watercolor pencil, and the paper was kind of done. It was kind of flattened. There weren't any more grooves in the paper. So the Arches definitely took the colored pencil better, which is, again, is kind of surprising because it's cold press. I've always done water or colored pencil with solvent on hot press. So this was it was a little different for me to do it on the cold press, but they're surprised to do it on the cold press how it works so well. So anyway, I'm kind of rambling on. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this far, and I hope this helped you decide which paper you want to use and go for. Again, the one on the left is the Arches cold press. I get it at Hobby Lobby. It's a big sheet of paper and is 300 pounds, so it's heavier. The one on the right, Strathmore cold press, 140, so it's thinner, and that is actually in the pad. It's a watercolor pad. So I'll put links below so you can see and check out which one. And I know when you're kind of new to watercolors, you try everything, or you don't really know which one to get first. So it really depends on the look you're going for. But it's kind of a golden rule that when you're starting out, try to get the best quality supplies that you can, because it really does make a difference, and your paintings will come out better, and then you'll be more confident, and you'll move forward. So anyway, that's that. Thanks again. Please press the like button and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching here till the end. Thank you.